looking for a hotel to stay. You know where's the hotel here?
Oh, there, if you walk,
So hello mga kachismis, so nata karon diri sa municipality of Malabuyok. Anay ta diri mang prank karon, so hopefully na atay ma-prank kay medyo mingaw-mingaw siya kay kaulanon. So payugi ko ninyo, mag-enjoy mo ani. So let's go. Disculpa señora, buenas noches. Yo habla español.
Oh no!
Me ahoga que quiero volver. Where are you from?
Malabuyok, Gawahon, Barangay Guapo.
What? You live here. This place is Malabuyok.
Yes.
What about you, señora? You habla español. No entiende, por favor. Where are you from?
Same. We are neighbors. I owe you.
You live together.
Yeah, I live in neighbor.
So this place is Malabuyok.
Yes.
See. So señora, I'm talking to a random stranger. I'm looking for a hotel to stay. You know where's the hotel here?
Oh, Rene. There, if you walk there, in the Gawahon. Yes, there's a hotel there named Maima and Rene's Hotel.
Maima and Rene's Hotel. Just walking distance, señora.
Yes.
Okay, no need to book a taxi.
There's no taxi here, just
no taxi. Only Sikat. I thought there's a Grab taxi here.
I know, just e-bike, the one you drive.
E-bike.
Yes.
How much is the fare?
Is 10
10 pesos
pesos.
per head.
Per head.
Okay, gracias, señora. So, now I will go to, what's again the name of the hotel? Because it's already night time.
Maima and Rene's Hotel.
Maima and Rene's Hotel. Gracias, señora.
Gracias.
So, now I will go there.
Yes.
Okay, what is the name of your friend? Is she your friend?
Me? She?
Yeah.
Her, Shishami Princess.
She's Shami.
Yeah, Shishami.
And Natalie.
She's very pretty. Is she a Chinese? Half.
Half Chinese.
Señora, can I see your face?
Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, wala man sa'yo ang lahat. Huwag kang mangamba.
Yeah, muchas gracias.
Is she a model?
Model, yes, model from
Why efficacent, not beauty product, señora?
because she look like a back pain.
Always back pain. She's very young but already back pain.
Yes, because not really masugot sa inahan. Kasi never mind.
Never mind. So, gracias, señora. So now I will go to Maimai Hotel.
Yes.
Maima's Hotel.
Yes.
How much per night?
We don't know.
100 per hour.
We don't know because we didn't go there. We just know that there's hotel.
Okay, señora. So now I will go now. So, pwede ra malakaw or magsakay? Dili ra madalag sakay. Dili.
Shout out in. In Pinterest.
Ikaw, ma'am, naka-shout out?
Shout out ni Koan. Hasmin Bacon. Shout out. And Helen Kebido.
Ibido.
Princess Amreta.
Shout out. from
Kay shout out.
half Korean. Shout out
Wala kay shout.
yung Pintes. Shout out sa iyang crush. Follow and share Chismosong Bisaya 1592. Bye-bye!